Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. It's one of the most revered cars in the world. It was around 1927 that Dr. Porsche and the directors at Mercedes decided the best bet for increasing prestige lay in sports car and Grand Prix racing. From the late 20s until the war, Mercedes dominated everything it entered. The 300 SL was a return to competition following the Second World War. It placed second in the first race it entered, the 1952 Mille Miglia, wins at the Carrera Panamericana, and Le Mans followed. Mercedes importer for North America, Max Hoffman, suggested offering a toned-down Grand Prix car to affluent Americans and ordered 1,000 cars to guarantee production success. The production 300 SL retained the space frame chassis of the racer. It was tweaked on the Roadster to permit lower sills and easier access. The M198 inline-six shares its architecture with the 300 Adenauer. A diagonal tilt, kilted at a near 50-degree angle towards the driver, got it underneath the hood. Bosch grafted mechanical fuel injection, which upped the output around 50%. Its most impressive attribute is the dry-sump lubrication system, which, even today, very few cars have. This European-delivered 300 SL is among 270 examples with a cast iron block and four-wheel disc brakes. It retains its matching numbers body and chassis, engine, transmission, and differential. It has its factory data card, invoices since the 1980s, factory luggage, factory Becker radio, and a factory hardtop. This thing was really something else in 1961, and it still is today.